10, hut.
So I think the conclusion was a outstanding exercise. We achieved all of our training objectives as a strike group, and that allows us to just build on that. RIMPAC is unique because it's the largest maritime exercise anywhere. It was 29 nations, 40 ships, over 150 aircraft, and 25,000 soldiers, sailors, airmen, Marines, all operating together for a free and open Indo-Pacific. One of the key evolutions is where we executed a show of force, bringing all of those nations together and sailing 30 plus ships together in a tight formation with America's favorite carrier as the flagship guide-on vessel for that exercise was certainly awesome to see. This was our first opportunity to exercise the Air Wing of the Future as part of RIM of the Pacific. Every 2 years during RIMPAC, we try to operate differently and learn more from operating and integrating with our partners and allies. This particular iteration of RIMPAC, we brought along with us the Air Wing of the Future. Refueling capable E-2Ds. Advanced Block 3 Super Hornets. As well as CMB-22s. So it allowed us to integrate all of those new capabilities with all of those nations that we were operating with. Getting to see the awesome sailors of Strike Group 1 operate each and every day on America's favorite aircraft carrier, as well as all of the ships within our task force. It is truly awe-inspiring and truly an honor and privilege to be able to work with this team each and every day.